Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to run the blue card monument known as water treatment. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to do is find the main building centered in the middle of the monument. Next, you'll find a wheel on the front of the building. Hold E on it until you can access the building. Once you can run into the building, there should be 4 crates. Some can be green, some can be brown, depending on luck. Next, you want to run up the stairs and then go to your right. Next, you'll find a room with a repair bench, a fuse, and a switch. Put your fuse in and then flip the switch. Now, a switch timer has been activated, so you'll only have a short amount of time to get to the blue card. So follow as I do. Once you reach the blue card room, you want to swipe the card. In the room, you can find 6 boxes, green or brown, depending on luck. Next, at the back of the room, you should find a red key card on a desk. And that is it. If you guys like this tutorial, make sure to drop a like. Thank you for watching.